Hello, my name's Washboardjim, the founder of the Sneaky Snake trading strategy, SS Sneaky Snake, where I see setups that others miss. I follow the data, master the market, and dominate with discipline. If you can count to three, you can trade with me. So we're going to talk about a trade right here. It's called breakout pullback. So we're sitting here trading the SPY and the SPX. We had a nice little fallen wedge breakout right here. If you can count to four, so at first I counted to three and I was telling the room we're getting close to the sweet spot. We came back down one more time and we made it to four. Four touches on the bottom. This is called a fallen wedge. This is a sweet spot in any trade. So if you have the discipline and the patience, study chart patterns, it's a great setup, the fallen wedge. So we had a breakout and I sold the contracts. I made real good money on that first trade of the day. So when you have a breakout like this, don't get FOMO and want to chase it. Just have the discipline and wait for the pullback. So as we started pulling back, I noticed that we hit a double bottom and I called out the previous resistance, which now becomes a solid support. So I called this trade out and it run up about 35 cents from 115 to 135. 30 cents or what, 20 cents. I can't even do my math. So it came back to the previous resistance. It was probably cheaper than that. And it was a double bottom. It came back and retested that double bottom right there. So that's solid support. So I just want to talk about patience and having discipline to wait. And if you can count to three, you can trade with me. If you can count to four and recognize a pattern, you might make a little bit more. This was the fallen wedge, then came back and retouched the previous resistance of that fallen wedge for a scalp up to the 63 EMA. And I don't know what I got this line for, but it also hit that strategy. Or you could even take it to the 200 SMA and get out of the trade where that body of that candle is. So it's consolidating right now. This is the Sneaky Snake trading strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now.